I came across a TV program recently which was discussing about obesity in China. I thought Chinese people were mostly lean. Apparently, that's not the case now. And this program was primarily discussing three approaches. One was, of course, surgical, but the other two, one of them was using acupuncture, and I just couldn't bear watching that part of the program which was poking so many needles into this fat woman. It would have been pretty hard for her. She had gone through this acupuncture program for a few weeks but without much result. And then there was this case of young kids, boys and girls who were obese and under 13. They were required to go through a particular program where they were asked to exercise quite a bit, limit their food intake, and it was so hard. The kids had to skip their summer vacation and go through this just to lose few kgs. And I was thinking, God, losing weight can't be so hard. It should be much easier. The only question is, are you serious about it? If you are serious about it, I think some of the solutions tips that I provide in this video could be useful to you. Now, is this really a priority? That's the big question. If you think this is really important, then question yourself, do you really take it as a priority or not? If you think it is, then I think this video will help you. Now, what is my credibility to talk about this? Well, I have gone through a 100-day transformation some 2.5 years back. I've lost about 23 pounds or 11 kgs, got rid of many diseases like type 2 diabetes, hypertension and so on. I've got a blog on that, but maybe I can provide a description, a link to the blog, but then that's my credibility. Over this 2.5 years period of transformation, not only about losing weight, but I have started understanding how body works, how partially mind works, how the diets work and so on, and it has given me some amount of knowledge. I thought I will share those ideas that I have generated during this period with you in case you find them useful as well. I think if you follow some simple rules that I provide in this video and be consistent about it, you will definitely lose some weight. Now, to lose weight, what happens when you practice something every day? Each and every day, and you keep doing this for several years, you become an expert at it, right? Similarly, if you keep munching all day, eating food, because you think a breakfast is necessary, you think lunch is necessary, you think an evening snack is necessary, you think a dinner is necessary, or you might need, some kind of a dessert before you go to the sleep, and keep munching all the time, and particularly the wrong kind of food, then what happens is, because you are doing it regularly, the stomach digests everything efficiently. And because it does it so well, it starts providing a lot of food to cells more than actually needed for them. And when this happens, then the person becomes obese or overweight by less or higher amount. I feel if you follow some simple rules, it shouldn't be so hard to lose weight. Number one rule, eat only when you are hungry. absolutely hungry, if you are dying to eat something, yeah, then you eat, and you can eat to her heart content, there is no restriction, but eat only when you are hungry. And second thing, stop eating after sunset. This is very, very important. I know it is hard for most of us to follow this. We are accustomed to eating late night dinners, but if you start doing this, that means stop eating it, then I think you will be benefited a lot, and you can see a difference even within 2 days. Here is another important. Please do not skip on healthy fats. Healthy fats do not increase weight for your body. They actually help to keep your hunger at bay, so you don't have to eat very frequently. It is absolutely okay if you have a handful of nuts or dry fruits every day at any point of time during the day. Of course, not immediately after lunch or dinner, but then any time during the day. Then it keeps your hunger at bay. You will be required to eat less frequently. So don't skip on that. Don't skimp on that. The other important thing is eat lots of fresh veggies. You may think vegetables are untasty, you do not like to eat raw foods. Find ways of eating them. Maybe you're okay with eating carrots raw. Maybe you're okay with onion. Maybe you're okay with tomato. Maybe you're not okay with an eggplant or a brinjal. Find ways of eating more veggies. Maybe you want to include some fruit salads and make them tasty and delicious. So you include lot of vegetables. And here is another one which provides lot of nutrients. Adding lot of nutrients is as important as adding calories. You need to have lots of vegetables and definitely lots of fruits every day. They provide you plenty of nutrients. They are not calorie rich. They get digested quite frequently. So if during the day, if you are hungry, eat as many as you want of fruits and vegetables. That is how you can keep your tummy full without unnecessarily adding extra food that is not necessary. Now also hydrate yourself throughout the day. You do not have to drink gallons and gallons of water in one go. That doesn't help really, but you need to keep hydrating yourself throughout the day, which actually flushes the system, keeps your digestive system proper. Just make sure that you do not drink water half an hour before having a major meal, definitely not during a major meal, and up to about 1 to 1.5 hours after a major meal. The seventh rule that I encourage is keep heated food, any kind of cooked food, roasted, dried, deep fried, whatever, keep all of those to an absolute minimal. Cooked food takes a lot of time to digest, and if you are eating too much of food, because these kind of foods are tastier, they stay in the system for longer, and they do not flush out more easily and therefore remain as fats in the body. Keep them to their minimum. Now here is an interesting one that I think you will like. There is no need to burn yourself completely by doing a lot of exercise. If you do some moderate amount of exercise during the day, particularly during the period where you are trying to lose some weight, that is good enough. There is no need to burn yourself. Now here is the most important one according to me. The daytime is meant for working. You need to be working all day. It's not about working for some time and resting for some time. If you are tired of doing one kind of work, change your work. If you have been working a lot, sit for a while and then do some computer work. If you have been sitting on the computer for quite some time, take a walk, take a jog, Move your body, use your limbs completely, use your hands, use your legs, use your head. Think. If you are thinking deeply, that also consumes energy. So keep working all day. Please do not rest during the day. Do not allow your body to rest during the day. Daytime is meant for working. That is how nature has provided daylight to most of us. And night time is meant for an absolute peaceful rest. If you have had a good active day, you will be satisfied by the end of the day that you have achieved a lot, and you can also have a peaceful resting time. This is the period when the body is actually rejuvenating. If you do not give enough resting time, the digestive system and the corrective mechanisms in the body will not work efficiently. So you need to have a rest, 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and the additional dark time is to be used for relaxing activities. Maybe you will watch your TV for some time or YouTube for some time, but mostly use it for relaxing time, resting time. So in summary, what am I saying? I am saying eat only when you are hungry. Please stop eating after sunset. That is extremely important for losing weight. Eat lots of veggies and fruits and keep your cooked food to a minimum. Drink lots of water during the day. You don't have to overdo it. Do moderate amount of exercise, particularly during the phase when you want to lose some weight. And here is the most important one. Keep body moving all day. Now I know whatever I have said is not so easy. When you are getting into this, you may find it a little inconvenient to keep working all day. I am not asking you to exercise or do heavy kind of work every day. Just keep moving your body all day. Using your hands, even if you are sitting, using your legs once in a while, whatever. Keep some activity. Do not rest during the day. The other suggestions that I have given here also, I know are not so easy to follow for anyone to move away so easily. But compare it with what this is happening. Do you really want to put yourself to so much of exercise, so much of restrictions in diet and all that? It is not required. You don't have to go through an acupuncture. You do not have to go through a slimming session. You do not have to skip all those foods that you like. You don't have to burn yourself too much of exercise. The only important thing is, are you really serious about it? If you are serious about it, I think these tips you will follow and you will find it useful to follow. Thank you for watching the program. If you like this video, please click on the like button and encourage making me such kind of videos which are useful to everyone or most of you. Thank you.